See you again soon, Buzzard.
No way, Bub. I'm rehabilitated. This is the last you're seeing this mug.
You said that the last 20 times.
Nobody's here to greet me? Come on. Where's everybody going?
Butterscotchy finger pies! Come and get 'em!
Hey, Woodpecker pal. Them butterscotchy finger puffs smell great. Give me one.
Got me money? No pay, no pie.
Oh, it's the woodpecker's recipe.
My butterscotchy finger pie recipe. I've looked everywhere but the kitchen sink, and still no recipe. Ah, the kitchen sink. Nothing in here. Guess I'll have to make them by memory. I may be a bird brain, but how hard could it be to wet? Close enough.
One butterscotchy finger pie, please.
Butterscotch finger pies. Get your butterscotchy finger pies. Fresh and tasty, the way Woody used to make them.
Ooh, I want
Ka-ching!
Hey, this is mine. And this is mine. This is mine. La 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 la. La 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 la. Are you ready to rock? Eat pie, Buzzard! Out of pies. Out of supplies. Just gonna borrow these, don't mind me.
My stuff is gone! Where'd off go?
I got all the pies you can eat.
Oh, I'm gonna lose my customers and all their sweet, sweet money. I gotta do pies. Get your butterscotchy finger pies. What's this? The food police? Multiple violations? Shut me down? Back to jail?
package for our rotating resident. Told you you'd be back.
Oh, Woodpecker bird. I know you'd come through. It's great to have pals.